Kids, are you ready for a magical bedtime story? Tonight, we're going on an adventure with Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village at the edge of a forest, there lived a sweet young girl named Little Red Riding Hood. She wore a beautiful red cape, made lovingly by her grandmother. One sunny morning, her mother called her into the kitchen. "My dear," she said gently, holding a basket of treats, "your grandmother isn't feeling well. Would you take this basket to her?" Little Red's eyes lit up with joy. She loved visiting her grandmother. Before she left, her mother knelt down and whispered, "Remember, sweetheart, stay on the path. And most importantly, don't talk to strangers. Promise me?" "I promise, Mama," said Little Red. With the basket in her hands, she skipped into the forest. The sun filtered through the trees. Birds sang and butterflies danced. Suddenly, a large furry wolf stepped out from behind a tree. "Well, hello there, little girl," the wolf said smoothly. "Where are you going on this fine day?" Little Red forgot her mother's warning. "Oh, I'm going to my grandmother's house. She's not well, so I'm bringing her some treats." The wolf smiled slyly. "How kind of you. And where does your grandmother live?" "In the cottage just over the hill," Little Red replied. The clever wolf pointed to some flowers. "Why don't you pick some for your grandmother? They'll make her happy." Little Red nodded happily while the wolf hurried away to the cottage. At the cottage, the wolf knocked. "Who is it?" asked Grandma weakly. "It's me, Little Red Riding Hood, Grandma," the wolf said, pretending. Grandmother let him in, and the wolf quickly hid her away. Then he put on her NIGHTGOWN her cap, and climbed into bed. Soon after, Little Red knocked on the door. "Come in, my dear," said the wolf, trying to sound like Grandma. Little Red stepped closer. "Grandma, what big eyes you have." "All the better to see you with," growled the wolf. "But Grandma, what big ears you have." "All the better to hear you with," he replied. Her voice trembled. "Grandma, what big teeth you have." The wolf leapt from the bed. "All the better to eat you with." Just then, the door burst open. A brave woodcutter rushed in. With his axe, he chased the wolf away, saving Grandma and Little Red. Little Red hugged her grandmother tightly, tears in her eyes. "I should have listened to Mama. I'll never talk to strangers again." From that day on, Little Red Riding Hood always followed her mother's advice. And so, dear children, remember this lesson. Always listen to your parents and never talk to strangers. Good night, little ones. Sweet dreams. And may your path always lead you safely home.